Could building a secure financial future for your children be as easy as setting aside your spare change? That's the promise of generational wealth, and today, we're diving into how Acorns Early can make that a reality for your family. Acorns Early isn't just a savings account for kids, it's a comprehensive financial head start that combines a custodial investment account with powerful financial literacy tools. It's designed to teach your kids about money while you quietly build an investment foundation for them. So, how do you use it to build generational wealth? It all comes down to two key components: time and automation. First, the investment account. Acorns Early includes a custodial investment account, specifically a UGMA/UTMA. Why is this important? It means you are investing real money in a diversified portfolio for your child, managed by Acorns. The genius is that the earlier you start, the more time that money has to compound and grow. A small, consistent investment made when your child is young can become a massive nest egg by the time they're an adult. Unlike a 529 plan, this money isn't strictly limited to educational expenses. Once your child reaches the age of majority, typically 18 or 21, they take ownership of the funds, which they can use for college, a down payment on a house, or even to start their own business. That's a true financial head start, the definition of generational wealth. Second, the financial literacy tools. Generational wealth isn't just about the money, it's about the knowledge to manage it. Acorns Early helps with this, too. It comes with a smart money app and a kid's debit card. You, as the parent, are always in control with flexible parental controls and real-time spending notifications. But your child gets their own hands-on learning experience. They can track their spending, set savings goals, and complete money missions, fun, bite-sized lessons that teach them about budgeting, saving, and investing. You can also use the in-app features to set up automatic allowance payments or link chore completion to earnings. This helps them understand the fundamental value of earning, saving, and managing their own money, creating a habit that will serve them for a lifetime. Getting started is simple. If you're already an Acorns Gold subscriber, Acorns Early is included. If not, it's still simple to sign up. You open the account in minutes, linking a bank account, and then the magic of automation begins. You can fund the account using recurring deposits, set it and forget it. A small, automatic contribution daily, weekly, or monthly. Roundups, this is Acorns' signature feature. Every time you make a purchase on a linked card, Acorns rounds up to the nearest dollar and invests the change. It's spare change investing for your child's future. By automating small, consistent investments, you harness the power of compounding in time, and by teaching your kids sound money habits, you ensure the wealth you build stays in the family for the next generation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.